Piccolo onboard services catering to Embark 1,298, 2,000 euros net plus Italian social security, huge ships, mini cruise around 65,000 tons. These are massive new state-of-the-art ships, about 100 people on board, Italian flag. We need European with Codice Fiscale. We are making this video for you, young European, think about opportunity, to get a job is 2,000 euros. Then you would go up the scale, 12 months you become a steward, and then perhaps later receptionist, or the highest job on board these hotels, floating hotels between Barcelona, Valencia and Italy. Very nice weather. The best people in the planet are Italians. They are so nice, smiling all the time. You will live much longer because up north people not smile, so that's 25 years less. Therefore also the food is Italian food, excellent food, and also the atmosphere is massive. There is 55 ships, so we are talking about needing about 400 Piccolo onboard services, young personnel. It must be Europeans. You must have Codice Fiscale. We know some embassies do grant this in 24 hours, others never, but we are fighting to generate jobs in Europe. I think it's an opportunity, show the embassies that we do really want to generate jobs for Europeans. And then we also need this crew inspector format field, please. We also need Italian basic language. There is a format here of basic safety. You must know basic Italian. It's not English required, so we will put subtitles here in Italian, but you can apply and also like and subscribe if you are from Croatia, Slovenia, Greece, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, Poland, France, Portugal, whatever European country you're from. This is a job for you, youngster, that you have no experience, but you really want to get a job and join huge family company. We love this. Ship owner is a family company, many generations. In Candina is only 5 generations, and now we want you to be the member of our family. The ships couldn't be closer to your house and to your family, so I hope that this opportunity is really a good one for you. Apply urgently, like and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Arrivederci.